Saving money and building wealth takes time and discipline, but with a clear plan, you can achieve your financial goals. Here's how to get started. Number one, set clear financial goals. Define what rich means. Determine what financial success looks like for you, whether it's a specific amount of savings, investments, or a lifestyle. Then you got to create a short-term and long-term goals. Set achievable milestones like saving a certain amount each month or paying off debt. Number two, create a budget. Track your income and your expenses. Monitor where your money goes each month to identify areas of improvement. All right? Allocate funds. Divide your income into categories: essentials, savings, investments, discretionary spending. Number three, prioritize savings. So, pay yourself first. Set aside a portion of your income for savings before you spend on anything else. Aim for at least 20% of your income. Open a high interest savings account. This is going to help you save money to grow faster. Okay? Number four, invest wisely. Educate yourself. Learn about different investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Start early. The sooner you start investing, the more you can benefit from compound interest. I wish I knew this when I was younger. All right, diversify your investments. Spread your money across different types of investments to reduce risk. Number five, reduce debt. So pay off high interest debt first. Focus on eliminating debts with the highest interest rates to save on interest payments. Avoid unnecessary debt. Be cautious with credit cards and loans, ensuring you can pay them off quickly. Number six, increase your income. Develop new skills. Invest in education or training to advance your career or explore new job opportunities. Consider side gigs like freelance work or part-time jobs that can supplement your income. Number seven, live below your means. Okay, some people want to impress everybody. No one cares. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending, like dining out or luxury items. Be mindful of lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, resist the temptation to significantly increase your spending. Monitor your progress. Review your financial plan regularly. Assess your budget and investment strategy to ensure you're on track to meet your goals. Adjust as needed. Be flexible and make changes based on your financial situation. Number nine, stay committed. Be patient. Building wealth takes time. Stay focused on your goals and avoid getting rich quick schemes. Educate yourself continuously. Keep learning about personal finance and investment strategies. By following these steps, you can save money, invest wisely, and work towards becoming financially successful.